Hey everybody, Jack, roadstercycle.com here with you today to tell you about getting your car, your electric car, your EV, through smog in California. So I'm taking the Mustang down today to get it checked out by a smog referee to get an exemption for my smog. So there's a couple things you need to know. First of all, you have to call in and make an appointment, okay? And they call you back and tell you how to schedule it, or when to schedule it, when to schedule your appointment and what day and everything it is. So you do that. If you miss the phone call when they call you back, you have to wait 60 days before you can ask for another appointment. So you have to be very careful about that. Then when you make your appointment, if you miss your appointment, you have to wait another 60 days before you can have another phone call or call in to get another appointment, in which again they will call you. If you don't answer the phone, you're off for another 60 days, and so on and so on and so on. So anyway, the good thing is today's the day. We're taking the Mustang down and getting it taken care of, and hopefully the people there, I tried to stop by the place to see if they'll ask me if I could video there, so we'll find out that in a little bit. So anyway, off to get smog exempt, I hope. California, you know how they are, so we'll just see how it goes. Okay, thanks for watching this part, and we'll get to the next part. This was just the intro. Okay, on my way, 12 o'clock appointment. It's about 11:20. I don't want to be late. It's only a few miles away, but I don't want to be late with those guys saying, you know, if you're late, it's 60 days before you can go again. And I got the Mustang there ready to go. Beautiful day today. Poured rain all night, but today it's beautiful. Okay, see you in a bit. Well, I'm here at the referee, and I saw him go in. I knocked on the door, and I got no answer. So anyway, I'm a little bit early for my appointment, so maybe he won't open the door until exactly the right time. So we'll see. Okay, I'm back from the smog referee station for the Mustang, and I'm happy to say it was a breeze. I worked with Aaron, who's the smog guy in Torrance, California, and it was a great experience. I mean, there was no hassle, no fuss, no muss. He just wanted to check and make sure that there's no fuel parts, you know, still in the car, like the gas tank or fuel lines or anything like that, to where it could be easily turned back into a, you know, an ice car. So that was great. It was fantastic. Great experience. I mean, I was so nervous about that, you know what I mean, as far as what was going to happen or anything. So it turned out really good. And check this out. Okay, so I got the deal that says that it is no longer a small car. That's my exemption. That's the registration I took to show them. But one of the greatest things, check this out. I don't know if you can see that very well, but no dollars. A government agency that doesn't charge you for something, that I'm so shocked. I am so shocked. It was amazing. So guys, if you're doing a DIY build or that type of thing, don't worry about changing your registration to smog unless something changes in the next, 6 months or something, where they get all new rules and stuff. But the rules are, if the car drives in, that was one thing you asked me, if the car drove in, of course, and that there's no fuel stuff in it, and that was it. Nothing else. He asked me the mileage, but I have a whole new dash in mind, so there was no mileage on it. So he just, put down 0 for the mileage for now. So that's just the way it is. But it was very, very easy. Hopefully in all the other smog stations around, I've heard of one other guy getting the smog done, and they asked him for to see his turn signals, to see his brake lights, to check his brakes, that type of stuff. But like I said, in Torrance, it was just a matter of doing. It was a smog thing. It wasn't a car inspection, where the other guy had was like a car inspection, like in another state. Weird, very weird. So anyway, so again, DIY builds, guys, in California, no big deal. to get it smog exempt. And I am stoked because like I say, I've been worried about that. So hey, thanks for watching, and I hope to help some of you guys out with that worry that it's really not a big worry. Even if you go in and have to have your brake lights, you know, if they want to see your brake lights and turn signals and all that stuff, you should have that stuff anyway. It's no big deal. All right? Okay. Have a great day. Thanks for watching. See you next time.